Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D terrain for your iClone 8 3D animation software by just using a piece of the picture and the AI to generate the 3D terrain. So start from now, I'm going to show you all this step by step. So now I have this picture and this is just a JPG image, and I'm going to just use the JPG image to generate it. First, you can just go to my video description and just enter the first link that given by me in the video description. So once you click it, it is going to just open with a new tab, and you just need to try the playground. Click here, then just click try it, accept, then create 3D scene, just click it, then at here click upload. Then now I'm going to upload the image just now. Just double click and now it is uploading. This is just a piece of picture, and I'm going to just click and here click next, next, and one more time next. Then just click everything to select it. Make sure the whole picture already highlighted. Then click generate 3D. It is going to generate the whole terrain. You just need to wait for a while. Now you can see the 3D terrain is generating. You just need to click got it. Now you can see it is really awesome. The whole terrain already get generated at here. You can use it immediately later. So what you need to do is just click download first and then click the GLB. Then click download. It is going to download it. Download the GLB file into your computer. Okay, now you just need to choose a location to download the GLB file, and as demo I'm going to just download it into my download folder and just name this as terrain 01. Download it into my desktop is better. Terrain 01 GLB file. I click save, and now I'm going to check the desktop. It is under my desktop. Here, the terrain 01 GLB. Now you can see this is the terrain. So what you need to do is just make sure you export it as the FBX, but not from here. You need to convert it into FBX first. So let me check again the terrain. Close. It's cool. So now just close this and make sure you already download the Blender. Blender is a free software. It can help you to convert the GLB file into FBX. So click and just press A. Click the empty area. Just press A to select everything and just press delete button to delete it, and then drag and drop the terrain 01 GLB. Drag into here. Just import it into Blender. And then just need to click here to just show. Right, now from the Blender, you are going to export as FBX. What you can do here is just click File, Export the FBX onto the desktop, name this as Terrain 01, then click Export FBX. Now the FBX is already here. Next, you need to export the image texture. Just need to go to the UV editing, then click the image. Make sure you already select the image from here, then click image, save as on the desktop, name this as terrain 01. This is the texture. Just save as image. It's already here. So now the last thing is back to the iClone. From the iClone 8 here, you just need to drag in the FBX, drag in, convert all, and then next you need to import the texture. The texture, what you need to do is just drag and drop the PNG into here. Now done. So now you can see it already inside your iClone. So it is small. You can just double click it, make sure you press R to just make it big. It can become your your terrain. Then you can just perform your 3D animation at here. This is a terrain. Then you may just want some function to just make it auto smooth. Smooth the mesh. Then it will look better. Now, and then finally, back to here, the roughness, you may just want to do some adjustment for the roughness. Just right click, adjust the color. The brightness, you may just want to adjust it to make sure it don't reflect too much lights. And now it looks better. This is the terrain. And the base color, you may want to change the brightness to just make it look brighter or just make it look darker. It is up to you. Done. Alright, now you can see this is a 3D terrain that just now you generated. The final step is just make this as a terrain. So how? You can just right click it and convert to terrain. Now it become a terrain with the correct collision. And then finally, just save it. Go to the here. Just make sure you find the terrain. Click. This is the set and terrain custom. Make sure you select the custom. Again. Here, terrain. Then click save. Here, the file name, just name this as terrain01. Save. So now this is a terrain that you can use it in your iClone 8 3D animation software. It is really easy, and next time you can just use it for any of the 3D avatar. You can just make them to walk on the terrain. This is really function as an iClone 8 terrain. Right, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to generate the 3D terrain just from a piece of picture, the JPG or PNG, and finally make it as a terrain on your iClone 8 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!